Adele's vocal mastery lies in her emotional depth and perfect pitch control, making her a prime example for anyone looking to enhance their vocal expression and technique. Ever wondered how Adele developed her incredible, soulful voice and created the timeless hit Someone Like You? Adele didn't rely on formal vocal training or talent shows. Instead, she developed her powerful voice through years of practice, performing at small gigs, attending the BRIT School for Performing Arts, and pouring genuine emotions into every note she sang. Now, you can learn to sing Someone Like You too, perfectly adapted to your own vocal range on singingcarrots.com. Discover your vocal range instantly with our free vocal range test. The link is in the video description.
I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I'd hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me